In this lecture, we are going to work on search functionality. In this search field, if I write box, hit enter, whichever product title is matching with this keyword, or inside the database, whatever product keyword we have passed, if that keyword is matching with the searched word, only that product has to be shown to the user. So now here, inside the root, I will be creating one file. I will write search product.php. Come to navbar. Below this, we are having form. Okay. Inside the form, we will be adding action attribute. Very, very important. As soon as I click on the search button, where this action has to be redirected, I will write action. Action is equal to, inside this, I'm just going to write this PHP. Absolute path we have already created. Echo, copy this get absolute link function. Inside this, I will be passing the path. First, inside this, first I have to pass the path. My path is search product.php. Okay, the file which I have created, search product.php, and second is our base URL. Okay, as soon as I click on search button, my action has to be redirected to this file. Then here, very important, we will be passing method attribute. We are getting the data, so method will be equal to get. Then inside the input field, we will be adding name attribute, and for this name attribute, I will be passing the value as search data, and then I am having this search button. For this, I will be adding name attribute, very, very important. I will add the value as search data product. Okay, what I have done in navbar.php, inside the form, we have added action attribute for which we are passing this search product.php. Inside input field, we are passing this name attribute, and inside the button, we have passed this name attribute. Now once it is done, open index.php. From here, copy this complete code. Inside search product.php, I am just going to paste. Now open index.php file, copy this complete code, and inside search product, I am just going to paste. Now come here, let me remove this. Refresh once. Here I will be writing card. Hit enter. You can see successfully I am redirected to search product. In my query, I am having search data. What I have searched card. And what this attribute is, what we have passed inside the input field. You can see inside the input field, I am passing this search data. And why I am having this entire code? Because we are writing the code from index.php. Now here I do not need this one, remove. For this we are going to write the function, but come to hero banner. Here I will be writing searching product. Save this, come here, refresh once. Now you can see in my title I am having searching product, and I have removed that get product function, so all the products are gone. Inside this hero banner, remove. Here I will write the text. I will write search result for, open this PHP and then close PHP. Inside this, I will be writing echo. Here I will be checking if is set. What we have to check? We have to search for this parameter. Copy and paste. If is set, and how we can access? We can access using get method, and inside that I will be passing search data. If this is set, we will use ternary operator. Then what I have to display? This exact same value I'm just going to display, else I will simply write products. Save this, refresh once. Now you can see search result for card. Why? Because in my URL I am having card. Now I will be writing scrunchy, hit enter. Now you can see I am having scrunchy. If I am not having anything, and if I hit enter, I am having blank. Why I am having blank? Because for this search data, we are not having any value. And sometimes user will be giving some script tag. So here I will write HTML special char. And this complete value, I'm just going to wrap with this. Okay, if the value is set, we are going to display the value. If we are not having this, simply we are going to display the products. Only these changes you have to do in search product. Next lecture, we are going to see how to write the function for this.